Xiva turizm va madaniy meros texnikumida quyidagi yo'nalishlarda o'quvchilarni qabul qilamiz. 11-sinf bitiruvchilari uchun turizm yo'nalishi, gid hamrohligi va tarjimonlik faoliyati, aholi va turistlarning ovqatlanishini tashkil etish servisi, buxgalteriya hisobi va audit, mehmonxona xo'jaligini tashkil etish va boshqarish, umumiy ovqatlanish xizmatlarini tashkil etish. 9-sinf bitiruvchilari uchun sartarosh modelyeriya yo'nalishi, mehmonxona xo'jaligi mutaxassisi, mehmonxona xo'jaligini tashkil etish va boshqarish hamda oshpazlik yo'nalishlari.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs, I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all.
Amaliyot xonalarida amaliyot o'tashingiz ham mumkin.
What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Hamda kafolatlangan ish o'rni bilan ta'minlanadilar. Xiva turizm va madaniy meros texnikumida zamonaviy bilim olib, siz qayerlarda ish faoliyatini amalga oshirishingiz mumkin. Jumladan, Xorazm viloyatida yagona bo'lgan 5 yulduzli Farovon mehmonxonasida.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Xiva turizm madaniy meros texnikumining buxgalteriya va audit yo'nalishini tahsil olib, bizda Denbaq xodimida ishlashingiz mumkin.